Although there are many characters that didn't make it to the big screen, but there are characters that are mentioned in the movies but never been seen in the movies. So in this video we're gonna count down the 5 more characters that didn't make it to the big screen but still have a mention in the movies. Several characters are name dropped or referred to as part of backstories but are never seen in the flesh. Some of these characters actually appeared in the books, so die-hard fans will know exactly who they are. However, others are only ever mentioned on both the page and the screen. But before starting the video, if you are new here, then please subscribe to this channel because I keep bringing Harry Potter stuff every day. And you can also follow me on Instagram, link is in the description. And now without wasting any moment, let's begin the video. Number 5. Ariana Dumbledore. Ariana is the sister of Albus and Albert Dumbledore, and in the books she plays an important part of the former's backstory. Ariana does appear as a portrait in the final movie, but her story is only touched on slightly. In the books, fans learn that Ariana was killed during a three-way duel between Albus Aberforth and Gellert Grindelwald, with the three wizards unaware as to who directly caused her death. While having Aberforth explain Ariana's death might not have translated well onto the screen, the movie could have benefited from showing that events in the flashback form. The circumstances of Ariana's death are important to Dumbledore's character, so it seemed odd that they were skipped over in the movie. Number 4. Regulus Black. At the end of the 6th movie, Harry finds a note signed by R.A.B. in a fake Horcrux locket. In the following movies, R.A.B. is revealed to be Sirius' deceased brother, Regulus. Although Regulus was a Death Eater at one point, he did turn against Voldemort before his death. Eagle Eye fans will notice Regulus' name on the black tapestry in the 5th film, and he's also seen in the photograph and mentioned by Slughorn in the 6th film. The Harry Potter movies left out several things about the Black House, so it's not surprising that Regulus' backstory is not fully explored. Regulus is mentioned sparingly in the movies, but due to his death, he never appears in the series. Number 3. Professor Kettleburn. Kettleburn is Hagrid's predecessor in the role of Care of Magical Creatures Professor. He is only mentioned once in the movies, but it is still a very memorable scene. When announcing that Hagrid has joined the teaching staff, Dumbledore states that Kettleburn has retired to spend time with his remaining limbs. Kettleburn's retirement leads to Hagrid having a large responsibility at Hogwarts, with one of his first classes involving Buckbeak the Hippogriff. From Dumbledore's comment, viewers can assume that Kettleburn was quite elderly by the time he retired, so it's possible he was teaching at the time in Fantastic Beasts. While the character was only mentioned once, he could still show in a prequel series. Number 2. Salazar Slytherin. Salazar Slytherin is founder of the Slytherin house, and while he might not appear in the movies, he still has a fairly large role to play, particularly in the 2nd movie. Slytherin was responsible for creating the Chamber of Secrets in the mission to purge Hogwarts of Muggle-born students. Many years later, Tom Riddle would become the heir of his legacy, and he also turned Slytherin's locket into one of the Horcruxes. Although Salazar Slytherin is only mentioned a few times within the movies, his dark history is pivotal to the plot. Many of the key characters, including Riddle, are part of Slytherin house within the series. Number 1. Godric Gryffindor. Godric Gryffindor is the final Hogwarts founder and also has a lasting legacy at the school. Many notable and powerful Harry Potter characters are Gryffindors, including all 3 of the Golden Trio. The Sorting Hat famously had some difficulty placing Harry in the house, but Harry's bravery showed through and allowed him to speak up and choose Gryffindor for himself. Harry also wielded Gryffindor's sword in order to fight and ultimately defeat the Basilisk. While the characters of Gryffindors is only mentioned, many of the movie characters follow his legacy. So thanks a lot for watching Potterless. So this was the video about the 5 characters that mentioned but never appears in the movies. I hope you liked this video, and if you really did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you are new here, because I keep bringing Harry Potter stuff every day. And you can also follow me on Instagram to see iconic memes of Harry Potter. Link is in the description. And now I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, goodbye, and stay away from the muggles.